Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export your Minecraft world on Android. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. All you have to do is to simply go to your settings on your Minecraft, and then from here in the main menu, go to the left section and go to your storage account, which is going to be right here. Then make sure that your file storage location is set from application to external. For you, it's probably going to say application, so just click on the external button and you'll have it done right there. Now simply exit Minecraft and then close it. And now we will need another application. This application right here is called Z Archive. You can simply go to the Play Store and search for it, which is going to be Z Archive, like that. You're going to search for it and you're going to install this one and open it. Once you have opened it, all you have to do is to search for the file that says Android right here. Then you're going to go to data. Then from here, you're going to scroll down until you see the file that has the Minecraft logo on it and simply says mojang.minecraft. So from here, if you go searching, you can see it right here, com.mojang.minecraft.py. Then from here, click on Files, Games, com.mojang. And then from here, you're going to scroll down until you see a world that says Minecraft Worlds file. Once you have that, as you can see, this is my file right here, and this is my world. So once you open it, you can double check from everything, from the title and everything, but the main file is going to look like this, random numbers and letters. Once you click on it, all you have to do is to click this button right here that allows for multi-select, then choose every single file in this folder. And then once you do that, all you have to do is to hold press, click on compress, and now you can name it whatever you want. So you can name it my world, and then make sure that the ending is with .zip. Now, if you want to place a password, you can, but you don't have to. And for beginners, I don't recommend it. So from here, just make sure that it is set to zip file and all these settings. And so we're going to download it somewhere where you can find it. So simply click on the buttons right here. And now from here, we can download it anywhere we want. So we can just go to downloads, or we have this file that we have just on it, or we can simply just search. So I'll just put it in the DCIM file and then click on OK, and then click OK, and archive successfully created. Now, once we go back as much as you can. Now from here in the main files, I put it in this file right here, DCIM. And then once you go back right here, as you can see, myworld.zip, we have just found it. Now all we have to do, final step, is to just hold it. Then we're going to click on rename, and from .zip, we'll just name it for MC World. All you have to do is to switch it from .zip to MC World, and then just click on done and click on OK. And now we have this file, and we can now share it with anyone we want. So we can just click on share, and we can send it to any of our friends on WhatsApp or any file that you would like. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.